Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Tony Mokbel, notorious Melbourne underworld figure, whose life has been a rollercoaster of crime, fugitive escapes, and legal battles. After nearly 2 decades behind bars, many are asking, where is Tony Mokbel now? Let's break it all down. Tony Mokbel, full name Antonios Tony Saji Mokbel, rose to infamy as one of Australia's most notorious drug traffickers. He was a major player in Melbourne's gangland scene, linked to massive drug importation rings, and accused of involvement in several murders, though never convicted for those. He fled Australia in 2006 while on bail, was captured in Greece in 2007, extradited, and convicted for drug offences. Over the years, his sentence was reduced, and his appeals rode the fallout of the Lawyer X scandal involving his former barrister, Nicola Gobbo, who was secretly acting as a police informer. In April 2025, the Victorian Court of Appeal granted Mokbel bail, citing serious misconduct by his former lawyer Gobbo that arguably misled him in his plea deals. The court ruled that Mokbel was entitled to bail pending appeal of his remaining convictions. Under strict conditions, electronic monitoring, curfew, reporting to police, he walked out of court after nearly 18 years behind bars. Where is Tony Mokbel now? As of now, Tony Mokbel is out on bail, living with his sister in suburban Viewbank, Melbourne. He must abide by strict terms including checking in with police daily, wearing an electronic monitoring device, and living under a curfew. He no longer resides behind prison walls for now, but his freedom is contingent on his ongoing appeals and strict legal oversight. Tony Mokbel's exit from prison marks a major twist in one of Australia's longest criminal sagas. Yet, it's not a full freedom. His bail comes with tight restrictions, and once his appeals are resolved, he could very well return to custody. Still, for the first time in almost 2 decades, he's walking free. Only time will tell if this freedom will last.